All right, friends, so it's time to fund your account so that you can make some money. So first things first, we have to get Bitcoin set up for you. Now you have two options as far as where you want to actually go to have your Bitcoin. You can choose Cash App if that's easier, or if you can't get access to Cash App, you can use Coinbase. So I'm going to show you an example of both. That way we can get you set up very, very quickly. So we're going to start with Coinbase first. It's simply a website, or you can download the Coinbase app. You simply click Get Started, and you would fill in your information. So your first name, your last name, your email, your password, your state, and then you would create an account. Once you actually create your account, you're going to see this screen right here. These icons in the top right are going to allow you to buy, send, and sell any Bitcoin. So before you can even fund your broker accounts, you have to buy that amount in Bitcoin. So for instance, if you want to fund your account with $250, I suggest buying about $255. There is always going to be a small Bitcoin fee, and that way you have exactly the amount that you need purchased. So you spend $255, you'll have about $250 worth of Bitcoin. You do preview buy. And once you have that amount bought, you'll see it in your portfolio balance. Once you have that amount purchased, then you want to send it to your broker account. That way it's available to fund. So if you hit this icon right here that says send, then you will be able to enter the amount that you want to send and paste the actual address that you want it to go to here. So I'm actually going to give you more instructions on how to do that in the next video, going over how to fund your broker account. So whichever account you start off with, click on that video so that you can see how to actually get the amount that's from your Coinbase or Cash App to your broker platform. Now, if you're using Cash App to actually purchase Bitcoin, these are going to be the steps that you follow. So you're going to select on Cash App here. From your home screen, you're going to select Bitcoin, and you're going to see where it says enable on-chain transactions. So it's going to need a little bit more information. You're going to hit continue, and you're going to input the information that it's going to ask you. So it may ask you to scan your ID. It may ask you your source of income, if you have a job, put that you're either employed, self-employed. Just verify how you're getting your income, scan your ID, and then you're going to wait about maybe a day or two for them to actually enable your withdrawals and deposits. At that point, then you will be able to start buying and moving Bitcoin. After your account has been verified and your withdrawals and deposits have been enabled, now you want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. So you'll select the fourth icon on the bottom, then you'll hit buy. You'll hit the three dots to enter your amount, and then you go ahead and select that. So let's say for this example, I want to do $5 worth of Bitcoin. I would hit next, and you'll see that it'll show a receipt showing what the total purchase is and what the total cost, right, along with the fees. So confirm that the amount that you want to have total in Bitcoin is correct. If not, go ahead and add a little bit more or less, and then hit confirm. Once you've confirmed, now you have purchased $5 worth of Bitcoin, and then you'll be able to send this or sell it. If you hit sell, that's going to be how you convert Bitcoin to cash. So in an event that you have made a withdrawal and you have your money sitting in your Cash App wallet, right here, you just hit sell it to convert it back to cash. That way you can spend it. Or if you want to send your Bitcoin to, let's say, your broker account, you're going to hit this paper plane right here and do send Bitcoin. And then you will go ahead in the top left corner, hit this square, take a picture of whatever you need to take a picture of, which in this case is going to be the QR code. So you're going to take a picture of the QR code, and then it's going to ask you to enter the amount. So you can either enter the Bitcoin amount that's available in your balance, or you can select the actual dollar amount that you want to send. Okay, once you do that, you hit send, and it's going to go ahead and send that transaction to the address that you pictured. If you don't have a QR code to send, then you can simply enter the amount, and then you're going to go ahead and enter the Bitcoin address. So from whatever broker screen that you have or whatever wallet that you have, you're going to be able to copy a Bitcoin address and wallet number, and you're going to paste that into here, and then it's going to go ahead and send for you to get to your address. So I hope that was able to help you figure out how to use Coinbase or Cash App to actually set up your accounts and buy Bitcoin to fund your broker account. Make sure that you tune into the next video so that way you learn how to move that money that you just purchased on your Coinbase or Cash App to your broker accounts. That way you can start trading and seeing some profits, guys.